really important that this pleated filter stay clean. We've seen this come in completely clogged with no airflow, and that will tend to burn up the motor. So you want to just make sure that this stays clean. Backpack vac on this unit has a dome filter. Now this dome filter goes over top, from top down here, this motor, because this motor is exposed. So this is the draw side of the motor, and this dome filter goes over that, and that's down inside this tank. It's really important that this pleated filter stay clean. You want as much airflow through the system as possible. And when I mean system, I mean the dome filter, the motor, the diffuser, and all the filters. As you can keep that clean, you'll get the best pickup. Efficiency is imperative to keep this clean. We've seen this come in completely clogged with no airflow, and that will tend to burn up the motor. So you want to just make sure that this stays clean. As far as the main paper filters, again, these are meant to fit this unit. I know a lot of people don't even realize that either one, this cloth filter needs a paper filter. You know, we've seen this come in filled with debris and no bag. These are disposable. This is cleanable. You can just blow this out. This goes over top of, after this goes in, goes over top of the dome filter. And then the bag, the paper filter disposable bag, goes in. And we've seen these come in without this cloth filter and just the bag. And what happens is this cloth filter is creating a seal for this lid. And that's where you get that cinch. And again, we're trying to do between the hose, the wand, and your floor tool, we're trying to get the most dust pickup we can at those extremities. And the way we can do that is by keeping this clean and sealed. You can lengthen this hose, but not too much longer than it already is. This is the way it comes from the factory. It has two swivel cuffs, a straight one. This is an 1.5-inch hose, so this is an 1.5-inch swivel cuff. And then it also has a 90-degree 1.5-inch swivel cuff, which is a great feature. It eases the airflow through and also gives you the ability to go left and right-handed depending on which dominant you are and which area you need to get into to vacuum. So these are all replaceable parts. You can go to cityfloorsupply.com and find all of these parts online. The wand itself, these are typically the cuffs for the wand. So these are typical and pretty standard wand cuffs. This particular unit and the way it captures this floor tool, this is a 14-inch floor tool with horsehair bristle. These are available in felt as well. But if you see this groove here, this particular nut is what they call it, and this copper ring, you can see that split. It clamps down as this gets screwed on here tighter and allows this to swivel. What we'll see a lot of times is either cracks in this or, you know, wear and tear on the metal ring in there, and you don't get a good seat for your bristle brush at the end, and it's always falling off or it won't swivel. The diffuser is going to keep the blow out of the bottom of the vacuum from blowing dust all over, or any existing dust in your room from blowing all over. So again, another unit you want to keep clean. All these accessories available on cityfloorsupply.com. And then last would be the waist belt shoulder assembly. So this assembly, that harness assembly, we see a lot of this with breakage or straps ripping or breaking, buckles breaking. The whole assembly is available. It's literally plug and play. You can pull it off with several different screws and use those same screws, put it back on. It does give you an opportunity to hold other accessory tools, whether you're using a sill brush or a crevice tool, that kind of stuff. Gives you the opportunity to get your cord hooked up so it's not constantly pulling out of your vacuum. And then also your switch housing, so that your switch housing is right at your hip to turn it on and off. So I do want to stress before we finish up here that this backpack vac, actually not just this backpack, but just vacuums in general, particularly units that are compact like this, a lot of power coming out of this motor, 12, 13, 1400 watts. The material that you're vacuuming, whether that is oil modified finish dust for like a recoat, that kind of thing that has wood fiber in it, as this gets packed, you do need to remember to empty this. I've seen more than one van and shop go up in smolder and then flame because of the way any backpack vac can fill up with dust, be compacted, and then sit in a hot van overnight and torch the van. So you definitely want to make sure that you empty your vacuums at the end of the day. It goes for all vacuums, all dust bags, standard safety. We have videos on all of that safety on our website at cityfloorsupply.com. So if you have any more questions with regard to accessories for any backpack vac, you can go to cityfloorsupply.com, or you feel free to give us a call at 800-737-1786.